bring some people out. All right. Mr. Wall,
Yes.
why don't you put your phone on *6 and solidify your matter? Okay, 'cause there's a lot of noise where you are. Wind probably. Go ahead.
The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no talking, no smoking, no chewing gum, no eating or drinking, no sleeping or laying down, no driving or riding in a moving vehicle. Please keep your device on mute until you are addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a level surface so that your face may be seen. Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon. Mr. Walls, you can unmute yourself for me. Thank you.
Yes.
Now calling the matter
Hello?
of the people. Yes, I'm here. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I can hear you clearly.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Derek Walls. This is ticket number P1275772, one count disorderly conduct. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Pauline Soroki on behalf of Derek Walls. At this time, we enter a plea of not guilty.
All right, this time, Mr. Walls, can you state your name for the record?
Yes, Derek Allen Walls.
The court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. How are we moving forward?
Your Honor, I did relay the pretrial offer to my client. At this time, he's continuing his plea of not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
All right. If so, sir, can you please raise your right hand for me? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Sir, did you have an opportunity to talk to Attorney Soroki in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And she's informing me you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of fact. Is that how you want to move forward, sir?
Yes.
All right, so I'm going to set this for a bench trial on the date of October the 12th. October the 12th. It's via Zoom, so the same way you zoomed in. But sir, I'm gonna need you to try and figure out how you can get in the app, okay? So I can physically see you for this hearing, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna set it at 9 a.m. Bond is set at $0 personal, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. You have a good day, Mr. Wall.
Okay. Thank you. You have one too.
You're welcome, thank you. Ms. Watson?
Yes.
Now
Hello?
calling the matter. Yes, you're good, Mr. Walls. You can log off, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Now calling the matter of the people versus Shakori Watson. This is ticket number 1322793. Count 1, failed to stop for a stop sign. Count 2, driver's license never acquired. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, good afternoon. Pauline Soroki on behalf of Ms. Watson. This time, we waive the formal reading the information, stand mute to the charges.
At this time, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. Ms. Watson, can you state your name for the record, please?
Shakori Watson.
Okay. How are we moving forward?
Your Honor, I did have an opportunity to relay the pretrial offer to my client. At this time, she wishes to avail herself of the same, and she would plead responsible to impeding traffic.
All right. You want to take advantage of that offer today, ma'am?
Yes.
All right. So I'm going to read from the ticket to establish a factual basis, and then I'm going to assess the fine that goes with that ticket, okay?
Okay.
All right. So on the date of March the 7th of 2022, in the area of Berkshire and Beaconsfield Streets in the city of Detroit, Ms. Watson was driving a Buick vehicle and did fail to stop for a stop sign blocking traffic. Satisfied, Attorney Soroki?
Satisfied,
Yes.
Your Honor.
All right. And is there a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of blockading. I'm going to dismiss counts 2 and 3 of this particular ticket. Ma'am, the fine for blockading is $175. typically you have 14 days to be able to pay that type of fine. Is that gonna be enough time for you?
Yes.
All right, so it's gonna be due no later than, July 11th, 2022, okay? And you can pay
Okay.
that online, typically come down to the court to pay it, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set. Thank you for complying and putting on that top two for me. I appreciate you.
You're
With
welcome.
no
Have a nice day.
slip, I appreciate you. Have a good day.
So, bye.
Bye. All right, Attorney Taroki, I got a couple of more offers
Okay,
for Jessica Webb. Her offer is dismissal, so I'll just bring her in. And then, okay. Let me see if it's a less complicated. The last two got locked. So on Shantae Winfrey,
uh-huh,
her is that she can plead to an amended charge of blockading on a no proof of insurance. And then on a fail to stop at an intersection in a school zone that's limited access, 60 and a 55. The remaining 4 tickets will be dismissed.
okay, because we don't have that many tickets on the docket.
Yeah, okay, so I can tell you the other ones that she has. She has, so this one, the first one I said is a 19 ticket, so it's a warrant out for that. So we put it in the file.
I just tell her there's 4 getting dismissed, so, okay,
All right, and then
Right.
on the last ticket for Miranda Williams. Oh, okay. We have 2 improper plates that she will plead to, and those counts are drove our license not valid and drove our license not valid.
and on the docket, she is allowing an open alcohol.
Right. Did you see that open alcohol?
I think you're cleaning on one of them, right? There's 2. And things straight up.
Don't have it on the sheet, though. Hold on, maybe, hold on a minute. Yeah, they got a lot. Hold on a minute. Let me find them all. Oh, it's on this first ticket. And then a plea of open alcohol on the motor vehicle passenger. Thank you. The rest of the tickets will be dismissed. She has a state ticket, or she has a state ticket that I'll dismiss because it's only one of them, or 2 of them, if she pleads to these 3 counts.
So how many are you dismissing total?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 for 3.
Okay,
All right, and I'm gonna bring Miss Webb in real quick because she's easy, and then you can work on the other 2. Ms. Webb?
Yes, Your Honor.
Hello.
Hi.
Now calling- Hi. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jessica Webb. This is ticket number P1340176. This is count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearance for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, good afternoon, Pauline Strelke, we have Miss Webb.
And Ms. Webb, can you state your name for the record, please?
Jessica Webb.
This is the date and time set for an arraignment on the information.
Your Honor, at this time, my client's entering a plea not guilty.
All right, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. I do have a note in the file that she did present, and I do have valid documentation for both her registration as well as her insurance now, so that City of Detroit is dismissing both of these tickets. All right, without prejudice. Ma'am, you're all set. Make sure you always keep everything valid and up to date, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're all set. You're all set. You're welcome, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna hop out.
Okay, thank you. You're welcome. You ready, Attorney Soroki?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Hello? Ms. Winfrey?
Hello?
All right, if you get, could you point the camera towards you, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Smirky, do you have a shirt you can put over that or a sweater or something?
One second. Okay.
Now calling the matters of the people versus Shantae Winfrey. This is ticket number P10459293. Count one, improper place. Count two, no proof of insurance. Also calling ticket number 126191121. One count failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. And calling ticket number P1322683. Count one, failed to stop at a stop sign. Stop street or intersection, failed to stop in school zone. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Count three, drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Pauline Soroki on behalf of Ms. Winfrey. At this time, we waive the formal reading of the information and stand mute to all the charges.
All right, this time the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. Ms. Winfrey, can you please state your name for the record?
Shantae Winfrey.
How are we proceeding on this matter?
Your Honor, my client, at this time, she's waiving her right to a jury trial, requesting a bench trial date.
Ma'am, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Ms. Winfrey, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And she's informing me that you would like to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of fact. Is that how you want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right. I want to set this matter for a bench trial on the date of October the 12th. October the 12th. That's going to be via Zoom, so the same way you zoomed in, it's going to be at 9 a.m. however, instead of this time, 9 a.m. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal on each one of these matters. The tickets and bond that are in warrant status, I'm going to take out a warrant status and enter plea of not guilty on your behalf. Ma'am, did you have any bonds that you posted for those warrant matters?
No, I didn't know I had a warrant.
Yes, you have several of them. So I'm gonna take those out of warrant status. You have tickets from back in, let me tell you exactly when.
Okay.
This one is from December 3rd of 2019. You failed to appear for a court date January 6th of 2020. And then the other one appears to be from, oh, this is super old. September 4th of 2012. And that was failed to, hold on, you pled guilty to that. Never mind, you just owe costs and fees on that one. Okay, you pled guilty to that a while ago, but you did have this other ticket out there, so I'll take it out of warrant status, okay?
Okay.
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 So it was in a Mercury vehicle back in 2019 in the area of 2nd Avenue and Lathrop, Lothrop, Lothrop Road, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna set that for a bench trial, okay, on that same day.
Okay. And that day was October. Can I get a pen, please? So I can write this down.
9 a.m.
October, what day at 9 a.m.? I'm sorry.
12, the 12th, 1, 2.
12. Okay.
You got any other questions, ma'am?
Yes, I do. As far as my tickets and stuff, you was telling me about the warrants that you was just telling me about.
Mhm,
Do you
yes.
see in the system? Because you said one was from 2000 and you said 12.
Well, the 2012 you already pled to. It looks like you just failed to pay some costs and fines on it, so that's why it's still open right now. And
And I
then,
asked that because last year I was online paying some of my tickets down. I paid almost $2,000 in tickets, but it kept showing up one ticket that would not let me pay online. When I went to the Secretary of State about 2 weeks ago, the clerk informed me that I had no tickets. I just had to pay a reinstatement fee and then take the permit test and go and take my road test again.
you know, this action may have been printed out a while ago too, so you may not have this one open. I'll have to know, if you could call my courtroom at 3 o'clock. Can I give you a phone number and we'll figure it
Uh-huh.
out?
Yeah.
313
Mm-hmm.
965
Uh-huh.
2293.
2293.
Yes.
Yeah, because like I said, the clerk was telling me I didn't owe anything else, so I thought I was good in the clear to go and pay for the reinstatement fee and everything, and then come to court on these tickets. But
Yeah, it may be clear now. So if you've been paying on tickets, these tickets may be clear now. I can't look it up for you right now at this moment. So, and this was taken out, this was printed back in 2019. So this may very well be taken care of, okay? It may be null
okay,
and void, okay? I just didn't have, I had a copy in the file, so I like to let people know what's out there, but it may be taken care of, and you may only have these tickets left, okay?
okay, and I do have another question. If I have insurance on the car, but it's not in my name, would that ticket be able to be thrown out as long as it's insurance on the car, or does insurance have to be in my name?
Attorney Soroki?
As long as you have insurance that matches the car, or if you have insurance for a car that you're driving, usually they'll dismiss. So you should be good.
So as long as I have insurance, but it's not in my name, I'm good?
You should be good. I don't make the recommendations, but normally they would dismiss under those circumstances.
Okay. Can I show that proof today, or do I have to wait for trial?
Just wait for trial. Hold on to it for me so I can have it all at once,
Okay,
okay? And that way I don't have to have like pieces, because sometimes then when I put notes on there, it may not make sense, and I don't want you to be, have to argue with me about anything. You know, just have it all that day, and I'll be able to take a look at it, okay?
okay.
You got any other questions?
No, I think that's it. So you said call back at 3
Yes, call that number at 3, okay?
and let them know.
And just ask her, do you have any more outstanding fees and costs? Okay?
Fees and costs. Okay,
Tell her that you paid for some back, and in the file, I'll let her know too. I'll let her know why you're calling, so that she'll be aware, okay?
okay.
Okay? All right, if there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Thank you for coming on, okay?
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too, thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah. Wait a minute. I'm good to go, or?
You're good to go. Just make sure you
Okay.
call so those fees straightened out, and then come back for your court date, so you can take care of the rest of that, okay?
All righty. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. And the last person, she signed off by accident, so I'm gonna just give her a moment, and hopefully she signs back in. I don't know what happened. I
Oh,
don't see her, I won't know. She like clicked off by accident. I think her phone. I'm hoping. Okay, yep. Ms. Williams?
Hello,
Hello, unmute yourself for me, please.
you said mute myself?
Unmute yourself. I'm about to call your medicines chewing.
Okay.
Now calling the matters of the people versus Miranda Williams. This is ticket number P 1337932. Count 1, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Count 2, open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. Ticket number P 364419, drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number P 386572, 1 count, drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number P 986251, 1 count, open alcohol in a motor.
So they got to pay for the fish. Still have, I don't know how. It's not popping up on none of my shit though. Pardon me? I mean, I heard you read off all the tickets. I'm sorry.
No, I mean, I can hear y'all side conversation and the use of language while I'm still.
I'm sorry.
reading. Okay,
I'm sorry.
be mindful, I can hear everything, and so can you too. Ticket number P 386572, 1 count, drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number U 155986114, 1 count, employee mingle with patron. Ticket number 144053741, 1 count, no receipt of registration. Ticket number P 505405, count 1, drive while license suspended. Repeat offender, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. And ticket number P 755428, 1 count, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroka on behalf of Ms. Williams.
Ms. Williams, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Miranda Williams.
Your Honor, I did have the opportunity to discuss a pretrial offer with my client. At this time, she's entering a plea and not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
All right. Okay. Ma'am, could you please raise your right hand? You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
You can put your hand down. Ms. Williams, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
yes,
She's informing me that you would like to have a bench trial. That's a trial for myself as a trier and finder of facts. Is that how you want to move forward?
yes.
I'm going to set these for a bench trial on the date of October the 14th. October 14th. That's going to be at 9 a.m. I don't think you had any bonds on any of these, so I'm going to set them at $0 personal. It will be a Zoom. So the same way you zoomed in today, you're going to zoom in on that date, but at 9 o'clock in the morning, okay?
Okay,
All right. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing, ma'am, okay?
okay, thank you.
Welcome. Have a good day.
You too, thank you.
All right, no problem. Bye-bye.
She said when she read the tickets and she said that Penn State was.
Mr. Wiggins, good afternoon.
Hello?
How are you doing?
Can you hear me?
I can. That's the
Okay.
background. Anybody has anything on?
Hey. Hold on one second.
Ooh, how's
tables have turned. You're gonna call me by my first name, I'm gonna call you by your teacher name. This point, you practice your name, man, teacher.
It's okay.
Sir,
Yes, I'm trying.
you got it off now? Okay, you can unmute now.
Okay.
All right, you were having trouble logging on, sir?
Yes, I did. I've been trying to log on since 1:30.
Okay, I'm going to put you into what's called a breakout room. Attorney Soroki is gonna come in there and talk to you about your case. I'm getting an offer right now, so the attorney is writing one. She won't be in there until they finish writing this offer. But I'm gonna put you into the room. Join the room right now. Join room 2, okay?
All right.
As soon as she gets the offer, she'll be in.
The docket is only showing one ticket. Is there more than one ticket?
Just the one.
So let me see if he's got insurance before your pen runs out of ink.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know where he went. He's not in room 5.
Room two. There you go.
Okay.
Yes, Attorney Soroki, it's just that one ticket, and if he pleads guilty, they will admit it to improper place.
Okay, winner. She's gonna call at 3:00. I gotta put her on. She wants her cost. I think she paid all her costs and fines.
Okay.
But when I said the ticket, it's printed for 2019.
Yeah, the other one's not gonna be here.
He dropped off. He was in there for a second. I couldn't communicate with him and now he's gone.
Okay, give him one moment to sign back on. He's just having a little issue.
All right.
For me, but I just thought I'd try to help her a little bit.
Okay, thank you.
Oh my God.
These are just the shit. Yeah, I think. Because then we set them aside because the judge was gonna take them with her.
No. Okay. Can you step out in the hall? Okay, thank you. Yeah, she's right there.
We have a little baby.
Mr. Walls,
Yes,
Ms. Walls, I'm sorry.
okay.
Logging in.
Yeah, she was having trouble.
Yes, I was having trouble logging in.
Okay, man. Let me see if I can pull your file real quick.
Okay,
Okay, hold on one second.
okay.
All right. Ms. Walls, we're gonna put you into what's called a breakout room. The only person who's gonna be in there with you is the attorney. So get some help from whoever helped you sign on to get into this breakout room, okay? And she's gonna come in there and talk to you about your case and about your rights, okay?
Okay,
All right. I'm gonna put you in room number 2. Join that room for me, please.
Attorney Soroki,
Yes,
if she please responsible to count 3, they will amend it to Black Katie and dismiss counts 1 and 2.
thank you.
And she's in room 2, so just go back to that same room you came from. Everywhere you go.
I didn't get logged in. Excuse me.
Yes,
I didn't get logged in where you sent me.
I know, you dropped off somehow, but she wasn't able to talk to you. So
Yeah,
you gotta stay in the room that you're assigned to so that she can talk to you, because I can't hear your conversation, so I have to put you into a private room. You
I
gotta
didn't
stay.
drop it. I didn't drop it. It just clicked off. I don't know what happened. I didn't hit no buttons.
Oh,
I
okay,
didn't hit no
sir.
buttons on my phone.
Okay, I'm gonna put you in a room so she can talk to you.
I appreciate it.
No problem. Room 3, Attorney Soroki, I'll put you there with him.
Did we get an offer for him?
Yes, the offer was,
Improper plates?
yep,
Okay, thank you.
no problem. No, can't.
So he has his certificate for a Dodge 2006.
Okay,
So,
all right, I think that's what it was. Yep,
so when you're ready, they're ready.
okay.
If somebody be possible on case, if you want to-
Mr.
She
Wiggins,
said she had to go, so.
Yes.
I think we're-
all right.
What they right here?
Now calling the matter of People versus Jamil Wiggins, this is ticket
Ye-
number P1340774, count no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances
Yeah.
for the record, the council, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke, on behalf of Mr. Wiggins, at this time waive the form reading the information and stand you to the charges.
At this time, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. Mr. Wiggins, can you state your name for the record, please?
Jamal Rehan Wiggins.
Your Honor,
Okay, go ahead, Attorney Soroka.
Mr. Wiggins' violation is for no insurance. I did see a valid certificate of insurance that went through December of 2022 for a 2006 Dodge. I'd move for dismissal.
And being an officer of the court and having seen that appropriate documentation, the court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice at this time. Sir, make sure you always have your stuff up to date and in your vehicle with you at all times, whether on your phone or in your car, okay?
Okay,
All right, there's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. Have a good day, sir.
thank you. Have a great day.
You too, thank you. Ms. Walls, you can unmute yourself, ma'am.
Okay,
All right. Now calling the matter of the People versus Juanetta Wall. This is ticket number P1270897. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, prohibited left turn. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke, on behalf of Ms. Wiles, we waive the form reading the information and stand mute to the charges.
At this time, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. How are you moving forward?
Your Honor, I did discuss this matter with my client. She wishes to avail herself the pretrial offer and plead responsible to the amended charge of impeding traffic.
Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, it is.
All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to read from the ticket to establish a factual basis and then assess a fine based on that, okay, Ms. Wall?
Okay.
On the date of October the 30th, 2021, in the area of East 7 Mile and Gratiot in the city of Detroit, Ms. Walls was driving a Chevy vehicle and did make a prohibited left turn blocking traffic. Satisfied, Attorney Soroki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Is there a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of blockading. And I'm going to dismiss counts 1 and 2 of this ticket. Ma'am, the fine for blockading is $175. Typically with civil infractions, you have 14 days to be able to pay it. Is that gonna be enough time for you, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to give you until July 11th to have that paid, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing, okay, ma'am?
Thank you.
You are so welcome. Have a good day, okay?
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, ma'am.
I compared
God is
today.
good. Look, God is good.
I compared today.
Okay.
You were bed today.
I got to go a second.
Give us at least until tomorrow, Ms. Walls, before you try and pay it, okay?
Okay, she said tomorrow. Okay, they still hear you.
Thank
Okay,
you so
thank you so much. Have a great one. Bye-bye.